Hi everyone, welcome back to Coffee Lover _5. This is Dory, the Michigan colorist, coming to you from Grand Rapids, Michigan. How's everyone doing? This is going to be a chatty flip through of this book. So grab yourself a drink and let's talk about this very, very cute book. So first off, we're going to look at, it's called The Enchanted Animals of Christmas, A Coloring Journey of Peace and Transformation, by Helena De Almeida. 25 beautiful animals to color. I mean, just look how cute they are. This is what the back cover looks like. This is where you can find her. This is the welcome page. It says, you're about to enter an enchanted world where winter sparkles with peace, love, and a touch of Christmas magic. I love that. This is going to, on this side is the book belongs to page, nameplate. Look how cute it is. Then on this side, you have what she calls a painting list. It gives you all the names of every animal in the book and what they are. So like Luna is the reindeer of inner light. Noel is the owl of winter, intuition, and wisdom. Nino is the penguin of love and togetherness, and so forth and so on. And I like that. I think that's a really cool idea. And it gives you a circle so you can check it off once you've colored it. Then, when you get into the book, on your right-hand side, you have the cute illustration. I mean, just look how cute that is. It's so adorable. Then on the left-hand side, you have all about that animal. So you have Luma, the reindeer of inner light. Then you have the energy it represents, the symbolic colors, an enchanted message, ritual connect with the energy of the enchanted animal. And then today, while coloring, I wish to feel, and you can fill that in. And she does that on every single page. So that's very, very unique. So on this page, it says her name is Noel, the owl of winter, intuition, and wisdom. This one is named Sapphira, the turtle of renewal and divine timing. This one is Nino, the penguin of love and togetherness. This one is Ruby, the fox of creativity and inner passion. I don't know how to say that word. Canolinha? I have no idea. The rabbit of joy and sweetness. She really is cute. Then you have Nutmeg, the squirrel of gratitude and abundance. Frosty, the polar bear of peace and inner silence. Then you have Estrella, the deer of dreams and wishes. Look at how cute. Then you have Starlight, the guardian cat of mysteries and enchantments. You all know how much I love cats. This one is Lumina and Solaris, the swans of serenity and eternal love. Then we have Pippin, the bird of hope and new beginnings. Misty, the butterfly of gentle transformations. Aster, the wolf of trust and divine protection. Crystal, the white horse of freedom and courage. And this one is Nuvinha, the snail of patience and presence. This one is Buddy, the dog of happy memories and unconditional love. This next one is Celeste, the peacock of self-expression and soul and beauty. Milo, the mouse of small blessings. Bliss, the hedgehog of protection and comfort. Coco, the koala of rest and affection. Marina, the dolphin of joy and heart communication. Aurora, the unicorn of dreams and miracles. Spirit, the dove of divine light and rebirth. Leora, the dragonfly of light and universal love. And that is the end of the book. She thanks everybody, gives you her website information. And that is the end of the book. So let me know in the comments if you guys like this book as much as I do. I think this is so adorable and so unique. Let me know. Bye.